We are heading into my favorite season of the year, the fall, the sweater season, the jacket season, the boots, the coffees, the lattes, and I am so excited. Which means I need to go through my closet and decide what outfits I want to keep, what footwear I want to keep. If I did not wear it last year, I'm giving it away. I'm trying to elevate my closet. I feel like I am a new person stepping in a new season. And so I need my clothing to align with the person that I want to be. So if I don't love the clothes, if the clothes aren't basics and practical, then I don't want them. I'm giving them away. I'm also starting to buy clothes that are natural fibers, like your linens, your cottons, your wool. I need to have breathable clothes, clothes that feel good, clothes that you sleep in and you just feel good. You're not hot, you're not sweating. When you're walking around, I want to feel loose and free and just feel good. And my clothes, I need those to reflect that. So I'm just going to do piles, clothes that I want to keep, clothes that I'm giving away, clothes that are like, you know what, it's time to go. It shouldn't take me that long because I don't have a lot of clothes in my closet because typically when I buy something, I normally give something away. I like to keep my life open to receive, and you can't keep receiving and you have all this stuff packed away. So I not only do that with clothes, I do it with other items in my life. Decluttering for me creates emotional and even spiritual space. It makes room for what is next. Believe me, there is something so powerful about preparing your environment for the life that you're moving forward rather than consistently preserving the life that you've already had. And I've done that so many times in my life, even going through grief, just trying to hold on to things when you need to let them go. There, of course, are things that you can keep for the memories. I'm not saying give everything away, but when you're like keeping certain items, a lot of certain items, it's like you are creating a memorial in your own home. And when you do that, you'll just have a funeral every day, physically and mentally. And that's not good. I've learned to appreciate things and what they represent without believing that I have to keep them physically. So I'm going to continue to do what I always do and make room for the new and just keep decluttering. Each new season, I try to restore some sense of control in my life. I know when I'm finished, I'm going to feel so good in my spirit, and that's what it's all about for me right now. Now that I've gone through the clothes in my closet, let's start on the shoes. I need new pair of shoes. I am getting rid of the shoes that I just don't like. Unless they're practical or I love them, I'm not wearing them. These I actually love, but let me tell you, they are so cute on. I rarely wear them, but I plan to keep them. I have two pair of these snakeskin shoes. I love both pair, but one pair I just bought, the one that I had in my hands, and these I've had for years. When I say years, I mean years. And I think it's just time for me to give them away. They're in nice condition, but I just don't wear them anymore. I love a good old pair of boots, but it's time to elevate the boots that I have. Some are newer, some I've had for a while, but they're just not reflecting my current style. So I am going to purge the majority of the boots that I have in my closet and just start all over. And I'm actually excited about it because now I get to go boot shopping. As I'm going through my closet, I'm looking for things that I want to keep, things that are sentimental, items that I want to sell, and then, of course, items that I want to donate. Once I go through all of these items, I'm done until the next season. Amazing.